All right, Caleb's taking me in some unknown areas here. He talked me right into this, and it's dark out here. So Caleb, you're gonna take care of me while I'm out here, ain't you?
Yep.
All right, here we go.
You wanna turn your headlight on the side rusher?
I thought I had it on.
Nope. Here it is.
It's on now.
All right. Let's
Got a car coming. I guess we better go. Okay, Caleb wants to take me up in some dirt areas here. I don't know why I let him talk me into these things, but it's still fun. Getting kind of close to dark out here now. Yeah, I've been back up through here before.
straight up here.
Okay.
It follows across where the power lines are.
Oh, okay. Have you already been there on that bike?
Yeah, a couple times.
Have you? Okay, Caleb wants to get up in the grass here, so here we go. I don't know how you do that.
We're on my phone again.
Yep, I see it on the ground.
You wanna?
Put it in this thing in here.
Yeah. Let's throw it in your bag actually.
Yeah, let me get off this bike for a second.
Well, you see clearing right where that pole is.
Yep.
And it goes straight back in there.
Yeah, you better put that up or you lose it.
Waiting to lose.
When
my
you lose
keys.
it, lose it.
Yeah, I was waiting to lose my keys.
Yeah. There you go. You ain't going nowhere now.
Yep. Go straight up there.
Straight up the hill, huh?
Yep. And it's basically just woods till there's a little abandoned road there.
That used to be where the old Patterson Road used to go years ago. It's where that's at.
A little bit of hill here.
A little bit. I'm even pedal assist 5 here. Straight back is the abyss, huh?
Into the abyss. Right?
Into the abyss, as Caleb calls it. How'd you even find this thing? Ah. I get poison ivy, I'm gonna blame you. There it opened up. Ruh-roh. I think we'll go this way. What do you think? That dog looks serious.
That looks like he's under there.
Could be. Is it okay to go up through?
What's that?
Okay to go up through?
Yeah, I got him on the leash.
Okay, we wasn't sure. He certainly let you know he's coming. That's good. Yeah.
This is where I originally found it.
Ah.
Look down right there. A little dirt hill right there.
Yep.
Right there. And that's where you could go up in.
This is where Patterson Road used to be.
Yeah?
This is the old Patterson Road right here. Absolutely is.
seeing the grass all the way down.
There used to be a bunch of farming area over there with apple trees all the way to Woodman. That's where I met my wife, right over there. Her dad was a dairy manager at the farm. It was a state farm. That's where all the mental patients went, or they lived.
We could take the road, or we could go on the grass right here.
Let's take the road.
It's not like there's anyone here.
There's not much traffic out tonight.
Oh, it's so light.
I got a feeling we better head back to the house because it's coming this way too.
You can see the lightning down there.
That could be heat lightning. Yeah, we got not a whole lot of night vision here going on, but we decided to get out here pretty close to dark, and we did.
Both of those cops were staring me down.
Which cops?
The car that passed us right there.
I wasn't even paying
that
attention to
was
us.
a cop car.
Oh, nice.
I didn't even go on the throttle. I was just pedaling the whole time.
We were doing nothing illegal.
I saw him at the intersection.
Now, do you-
I turned onto the sidewalk. I'm like, I'm gonna just pedal.
Now, do you think that guy that we met up there was probably doing something he shouldn't have been doing?
No, he was probably just walking his dog down there.
With a car?
Yeah, he probably parked his car back there, so
Do you
no
think?
one would like rob.
Yeah, you might have a good point.
Yeah. There's probably malicious activity down there, but I don't think.
Well, I didn't see nobody else with him either.
He had his dog on his leash and everything.
Yeah, he did. The cops couldn't find him back if they wanted to.
That could have been another reason. Cops.
Very easily.
Just so he doesn't get his car ticketed for towed.
Yeah, true. Well, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little bit of ride we have here. Met an odd individual. Was I actually taping when we seen him?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
That'd be interesting for viewers.
Saw the dog. I'm like, yep, I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, probably a good idea. That's German Shepherd. He'd probably eat our lunch.
I mean, there's some wild dogs around here. I know that.
Even though I am carrying, it'd have been a bad day for that dog if he decided to attack us. He wouldn't have survived it, I can tell you that.
Could've been on the sidewalk.
Let's take the road. Yeah, we can. You want to do it up here? Okay, everybody, we're going to do a sign off on this thing, do a little outro here. So yeah, we've did a second video tonight. Caleb wanted me getting back in the abyss, he calls it. And see that guy on there was pretty cool too, standing there with his German Shepherd about ready to eat our lunch. But anyway, we're going to sign out right now. So I hope everybody's liked the video, and share and like, and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and I will see you
on the next video.